was an amazing experience to walk on the sharp rock formations. Our guide, Ahmad, put Max Verstappen to shame. This trip was one of the best experiences I had in Saudi Arabia. Ahmed showed so much passion and was very kind. I hope to make this trip and see the beauty of this region again. And I hope that Ahmed will be our guide again, because he mixed fun, kind and safety together. What an amazing trip, stayed for sunset, we even had some Saudi snacks. I'm sorry for not leaving a tip, I was only there for 2 days so wasn't carrying cash, although you deserved one. It was a fantastic tour and the guide accompanied us all the way and told us about the theme. We recommend taking the tour with them. Thank you very much. Amazing experience with wonderful landscapes and a fantastic trip in the 4x4. Our guide was very polite and professional. Without a doubt 100% recommendable.